What up, y'all? What's going on? Today is Saturday. It's like 5 o'clock right now. Don't really have a vlog, don't really have a video. My camera's bugging. I dropped it and I was acting crazy. What the hell? My camera messed up? Oh my god, don't tell me I messed up my camera. I think I messed up my camera. Oh fuck. I dropped my camera and I was acting weird. Oh my god, I hope I didn't fuck up my camera. I dropped it in my house. Is it good now? We'll see, I hope. Well, I just messed up my camera. Fuck. I dropped it and I was like not focusing. It's focusing is on and off and it keeps stopping. It stops recording by itself. Oh, this is great. I guess I'm gonna try to record as much as I could, but I'm on my way right now to Full Throttle. I'm gonna pick up my parts. Really don't have a vlog because it's already late. I did a whole bunch of stuff that I needed to do, and I can't vlog tomorrow. I'm going to the beach. But yeah, so just gonna go probably do a little POV on the way to Full Throttle. Pick up my parts. Call it a day. Hopefully this camera keeps working because it just was messed up. I hope it's not messed up. I'm gonna have to go get it fixed somewhere. I don't know, but let's see. But yeah, let's get this day, well, let's get this mini vlog going. Hot.
I like those.
Nah, but those just fire. But I mean, they both good. Nah, yeah, those is fire. Yeah, those look real good. I gotta get me a set of 2 more tires too. I'm gonna get me probably 2 RAAAs.
What? You already have a 3-inch clamp, obviously, right?
Yeah. Got the Go Fast parts.
Yeah.
Alright, got my parts from Tom, Full Throttle. Still gotta wait for Full Throttle to get the timing belt because they don't know when it's gonna be in stock. They have no stock. My camera keeps going crazy right now. It keeps like stopping recording and then autofocusing by itself. Damn, I hope I don't get messed up. Yeah, here it is. Head gasket. Got the head studs. Yep, every time I do a pull, I never record it. You caught it or not? Well, I did a couple pulls and my camera's dead. I just put on the charger right now, but my boy caught a few of me, like, you know, driving past him or whatever. So something's definitely wrong with my camera though. But yeah, car feels good. My dirt is kind of fucked up. I fucked up on dirt really bad. But yeah, she moves out pretty good. Can't complain, she moves out pretty good. Well, the videos that my friend took suck and were really bad. Looks like I'm going 2 miles per hour. Which wasn't, but the car in general, the car is slow in general. I don't really care, like the car is slow, you know. I built this to have fun, but I'm building next. It's you know, it's really built to, you know, to go fast and all of that. But this was just for fun. The car is definitely slow though. Might be fast for you guys, but it's slow for me. I'm already used to the power, and I feel like it's slow. But yeah, the video that he caught of me, it would look like I was fucking just standing still. And it's always like that. When you take a video of like a car, like, and then you follow it, it just always goes like, always looks like that unless you're like standing still and then a car flies past you or whatever. I was telling him to go more up ahead so I could get into it and then go, but I was already right next to him, so the car has to obviously build boost and then go into boost, and then I would have been flying up top. But caught it in the beginning, which was ass. Well, didn't really do much. Got my parts. Started off my vlog with dropping my camera and thinking, yeah, I think this shit is fucked up. I don't know. Yeah, I think the camera's messed up. I guess we shall see soon. Car feels good, like up top. I'm so mad that every time I do like a good pull or anything like that, the camera's dead or don't vlog it. And then my boy recorded it, but it looks like I'm going 20 miles per hour. Cause that's what it always looks like when you record from like a camera. And see, the camera did it again. Turned off. It's like if it gets out of focus and then it doesn't. Oh man. But yeah, got some parts. See how it goes. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Did it again. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Well, end the day here. I guess pick up the camera another day. Alright guys, so real quick. A lot of people keep asking me what have I got from my motor and stuff like that. And so I'm in my, I guess you wanna call it like parts room or whatever, where I keep my stuff at. So I'm gonna show you guys my parts right now, like, you know, what I have piece by piece or whatever right now. Hopefully this camera holds up. This camera has been going crazy. Yeah, I dropped it and I keep saying the lens is not, it doesn't recognize the lens, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys, I guess, piece by piece and part by part, even though I made a video, but a lot of people want to know, so let me show you guys. Alright, so part number one, let's just go with, alright, so right here, I have my Golden Eagle head gasket. Just picked it up, as you can see right there. You guys see right there. It's my B16. Yes, it's B18. This is fine for B16. And 8175 is what they have for 81 and a half size pistons. So that's what I have there. Right here, I just wanted to do everything brand new, so I have Honda valve cover gasket. Right here, I have a set of hoses. You know, just little regular eBay silicone hoses. I'm not paying $200 for no 3 hoses. Fuck that. They all do the same shit. So yeah, I have this. Still gotta get probably some more. Right here, I have my ARP B16 head studs. All of this right here is just the plastics that I'm gonna clean up and stuff. This is from the motor, my spare motor. This is the valve cover also from my spare motor. These are the cam caps. I don't know. I guess the cam cap rails. I don't have the cam cap yet. Right here. just picked this up also. If you guys seen the last vlog, you guys know this is my B16 Type R oil pump OEM from Honda. I know I said, why are you so nosy for? Huh? I know I said I was gonna do the 4-piston, but what the 4-piston did today is I could do to this one. But over here, this is just a regular eBay wastegate that I was supposed to put in my car, and I got lazy and I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave the one that I have on my car. Some Jeep rotors and brake pads for my Jeep that I gotta put on also. My oil for my CRV, filter for my CRV. Then I got some brake fluid and all that shit in there. That has nothing to do with anything. And here I have my blower valve. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the V-band here. Gotta put on the piping. V-band clamp. Then I have my boost solenoid, which is very, very important. This is like one of the, well, one is very important also with the build because it definitely needs to turn boost up and all of that. So yeah, I have that. This box have my towel wastegate. This is a 44 mil. Yeah, see how big it is? 44, 30 is smaller. So I went 44 because I'm trying to do, say maybe like 27 pounds of boost. So definitely this. Yeah, so it comes with, you guys see here, it comes with all the springs for boost. You guys can see here, more pounds, so you definitely need those. Comes with again for the V-band, that's for the there's for the wastegate, well, for the dump tube, and these are the wastegate clamps. These are for the wastegate to attach the turbo lines, like the boost lines and all of that. Right here, I'm using a Edelbrock manifold. These things work perfectly fine. No issues at all. I was gonna get the Skunk 2 Ultra, but they want $1,000, and this will do the same exact thing as the Skunk 2 Ultra. So I'd rather, you know, get this and then spend that $1,000 on, you know, something else. But this right here would definitely be fine. I have to upgrade the throttle body also to probably like a 74 mil. I'm probably gonna upgrade it so it could be even out with this. And yeah, obviously this is gonna get all paint removed and powder coated and everything. I'll let you guys know the color once it gets closer, but it's gonna be right now, no time soon. I'm not really rushing or anything. And then here we have the beautiful Eagle connecting rods. Yes, beautiful. I think I rated up to like 700, 800 horsepower. I'm not doing that much horsepower on my Civic right now, so should be plenty. Still gotta do like some upgrades and stuff like that. Yeah, and then in here, pop this open. See if I have enough space. Obviously you guys see there, but these are my pistons. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'll just show you guys, I guess, from here. I don't really want to make too much of a mess here, but yeah, there go my pistons right there. Those are 10.5 compression, 81.5 mil. So, you know, bore the motor a little bit bigger, better, more power, and safer. Yeah, one with CP pistons. These are like, you know, one of the best pistons. Also, I mean, it's a lot of good pistons, but you know, these are one of the top pistons out there that people use also. So, but yeah, that's what I have so far. Basically, everything for the motor I have. I just need to get some cams and some cam gears. Timing belt, I have to wait until the store gets that in stock, because right now nobody has it in stock unless I go all the way to Tri-State. And then small stuff, like I gotta get the tensioner brand new, you know, like the cam seals, but all of that, like, is super cheap. But basically everything for the motor I already have. Now I just have to get like intercooler piping, my intercooler. I'm gonna go E85, so I gotta change my injectors. I'm just gonna sell my injectors, and then put more money on top to buy E85 injectors. I'm probably gonna go with like 22 cc, so I won't have to use that much duty. The duty cycle will be lower, and my injectors won't be really like shooting crazy. So it'll be, you know, I won't be like making my injectors work crazy. But yeah, I gotta do my fuel pump. I gotta do a full 50 AM or wall bar, whichever one. But yeah, I mean, that's it so far. Oh, and here, I'm not gonna take it out the bag, but you guys could see right here, this is my B16 head. It was tapped for LSV, so I just gotta reverse the LSV to make it, you know, work back for B16, which is fine. But that's a fully built head. Everything is done to it, valve, guides, every single thing you could think of. It has Super Tech valve train, everything except the well, it has Super Tech head package except the valves. The valves are Fiero 6000 competition valves, which are one of the best valves you can get on the market. Well, not one of the best, and I may not say the best because obviously there's shit that's way top notch now, but that's for like sport four-wheel drive and ready for like super crazy like drag racing events. But those don't really last that long, supposedly I heard something like that. But anyways, we're not gonna get into that. Yeah, it has I think a 3° 7 angle lock, something like that. I gotta ask my brother what it is, but head is done. Head is freshly machined, is milled, everything washed, so it's ready to go. I have my motor in my house, and yeah, just gotta get CSS and all that. But like I said, I'm not really rushing too much because I'm not rushing this build. Like right now, a lot of things are back order. You can't really get a lot of stuff. So I'm literally not rushing, and rushing does not get the job done. It always makes it worse and complicated. So I want to take my time and do everything right this time. So engine bay is going to get painted. Parts are going to get powder coated. New seats. Like everything. This is going to be a whole new build. Oh, and I have these tires here. My dog gets out the way. Excuse me. I'm going to be running these Falcon Zennies. These are 205 50/15s. But another thing about my wheels are my wheels are 15/8 with a 25 offset. So I'm going to put those tires on and see how much they poke out, because those tires are 200 tread wear, which are competition tires, you know, racing tires, drifting tires. So they stick out more because they're not like your average 300, 400, 600 tread wear where the wheel is more of like plastic, and these are more rubber. These are softer, but the sidewall are stiffer, so they won't like curve like that. These are going to curve a little bit. I wanted to do R888s, but I don't think with my wheels are going to be able to, because they will poke out and they'll look like drag wheels, which I do not want to look like I'm fucking driving a drag car on the streets and look fucking ugly. So for now, guys, this is what we're working with. I was supposed to go see my boy's Drew car, but I'll leave that for another vlog. He was sleeping, so whatever, I got from work. And I was like, I just wanted to cover this up because a lot of people have been asking me what parts we have, even though I put them on. But you know, I appreciate you guys wanted to know and asking. But yeah, this is my part list. This is what I have. More to come. Everything, obviously, like every week or every 2 weeks or whatever, I usually get something here and there. So thank you guys again for watching. Please, guys, like this video. Comment down below. What do you want to see me get next? Please subscribe. It's a 30,000 subscriber. You guys have a lot of people haven't been watching the videos. I don't know if the videos are getting boring or what it is, or you guys are outside because you know it's summertime. You guys been inside for Corona. I'm not sure, but come back, support your boy. Like this video. Comment down below, subscribe, hit that post notification to be notified when I upload. And until next time, guys, peace. Build to enjoy. Oh, and I'm gonna be looking into getting those shirts. So if I get those shirts, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Peace out.